Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be tackling this heap of my daughter's room. It is a total disaster. Mostly clothes on the floor, so it shouldn't be too hard. It just looks really bad. But yeah. So since last time we did get rid of her desk, and now I put this table here. Side table was originally in my computer room / office, but we moved it in here because I felt like she needed something to have some extra drawers since her desk was completely gone. And I just moved all of her desk supplies into a container, so if she needs something she can get to it. But honestly, the desk was just becoming more of like a clutter factory than anything else. So yeah, so basically it shouldn't be too bad. It just the little things in here that need to be touched up, and just the mounds of laundry. Let's go take a look at her bathroom. Okay, so here we have a stack of clothes that are about as high as Mount Everest. It's really hard to go to the bathroom in here because, do you see the space for your legs there? There is none. There is, there is, but it's not fun. You're wondering what's under the clothes the whole time, because honestly there could be a dead body. Just don't know. So then we're gonna scroll around here, and this is her countertop. Total disaster. And honestly, I just recently cleaned out her drawers. Let me show you inside. So her drawers aren't that bad. I mean, they have some sort of organization going on here. So we've got that, but other than that, it's just, the trash can is completely full, just disaster. So hopefully though, it will not take long to clean it up, and we will go ahead. I'm just going to talk through the video voiceover style, just because I think some people prefer that, but we'll see. Okay, here we go. Let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is tackle the mounds of laundry and just get it in a basket. I'm going to do laundry later. I don't really like to try to do laundry when I have a big cleaning day ahead. To me, that's just too much. So I'm curious to know in the comments below if you guys will let me know if you have been watching the Marie Kondo, The Art of Tidying, or whatever the Netflix series is. Curious to know how many of you are watching that and if you enjoy it. I started to watch it, but I feel like it's kind of, once you've seen one, I feel like you've seen them all. The only thing I really do enjoy is when Marie Kondo herself kind of takes a moment and has like a timeout in like her own little space. Well, actually there's two parts that she does that, when she like welcomes the house or greets the house or whatever it is that she does. But when she does like her own segments without the homeowners, I really enjoy that. Also, if you have any good recommendations for Netflix series or even Hulu or whatever, I'd be really interested in knowing what they are. I just recently watched the Netflix series You and really enjoyed that. I didn't even hear about it or know about it or anything. So, and then I'm also wanting to watch Handmaid's Tale on Hulu. I don't have Hulu, so I have to get it. And then also The Discovery of Witches. I guess that's on the Sundance Now app or whatever, so I'm gonna have to get that as well. But you guys know I absolutely love this lemon verbena cream cleaner from Miss Meyers. That is just my favorite. I've been using it in the kitchen, in the bathroom counters, on the sides of the shower and the bathtub. Really like that a lot. So yeah, the other Netflix series that I really want to watch is the Ted Bundy. I think that's what it's called. I'm not really sure, but I heard that one was really intense and you don't want to watch that one by yourself. So obviously here I just started clearing surfaces. Obviously you can't clean until you've cleared all the surfaces. So that's what I've done. And one thing I want to mention here too is that if I could have got my child started earlier with cleaning and just keeping her space, like, what's the word? Just tidied, I guess. I don't like the word tidy, to be honest, but you know what I mean. If I could have taught her when she was younger to start doing this stuff, I feel like she'd be in a better place now. Just because now I feel like I'm constantly on her to clean up or whatever. So I've been trying really hard to make her do more chores around the house and just keep her own space clean, because next year she'll be possibly headed off to college. We're not really sure yet. Also, kids pick up on things really fast, and I actually taught Ashley how to fold in the way Marie Kondo does. So now she's been doing that herself, and she picked it up rather quickly, a lot more quickly than I actually thought she would. I thought it'd be kind of a struggle, but she's actually, once you get them going into it, they really start to pick it up, and I think younger kids could possibly do that too. I really like her style of folding. I think it's just nice. I don't know. I think it works better for me. I think it gives you more space in your drawers and all that. So here I just did the cream cleaner on the countertops, but I'm going to go over later with the with the Aunt Fanny's spray, just to give it a little bit of shine, because I do find, since it's a baking soda based cleaner, it will leave kind of a residue if you don't rinse it really well. I just like to shine afterwards anyways. Also, I was wondering if you guys have any ideas as to what, I feel like my countertop, well, it's not my countertop, I use this bathroom too, but so does Ashley. I feel like the countertop in here is really cluttered. Like, I'd love to just get everything off the counter, obviously besides like the toothbrushes and the warmer, the wax warmer. But I just feel like it's just cluttered with the products that my daughter uses on a daily basis. I don't know if I should find like a basket or something that maybe will just kind of corral everything all together. I don't know. I'm thinking maybe like a basket with a lid, possibly. I'm not sure. If you guys have any ideas, or if you have something like this in your bathroom, I just hate having the products sitting on the side, like I'm putting right now over there on the side of the sink like that. I just feel like it's cluttery. So there's the Aunt Fanny's glass and window, which I really like. I like using that on the mirrors, and I also like using it on surfaces. I think it works really, really well. Really like it. Also, thank you to my friend Marissa. She let me know that you can find the Aunt Fanny's at Home Goods and Marshall's, I believe she said. I think she said she saw it there for like $2.99. So if you don't want to go the Grove route for it, you can always check there. I always have my link for Grove down below if you are interested in getting some free products and you're a new customer. That's a great deal, I think, if you're brand new and don't know about it. So what was I gonna say? So here I'm just wiping down the toilet. I like to use paper towels or wipes or something disposable on this area, just because I feel like it's kind of a germy area. I'm using the Method foaming spray on the surface there. I didn't do the very bottom part of the toilet because I do that on a more regular basis, so sometimes if I'm in a hurry I don't feel like it's really necessary. So I love this vacuum. Love, love, love this vacuum. I got this, I don't know why I thought I would just like push the trash can. Eventually I moved it, but I just thought, oh, I'm just gonna keep hitting the trash can and hopefully it'll move itself. No. But I do like this vacuum cleaner. This is the Shark, and it is in pink or rose gold, or whatever you want to call it. Love that thing. It is so good. So what I do with my bathroom rugs is I can't wash them. Every time I wash a bathroom rug, I feel like it just gets all like broken up, if you guys know what I'm talking about. So I've just used the wand and I just vacuum it that way. Also, I took the steam mop. I have that linked below in the description bar. I love this steam mop. I took a long time to kind of carefully go around the toilet with the steam mop. I felt like it really needed to be sanitized there. So everywhere else was just kind of like whatever. I didn't really need a steam mop, but around the toilet I really wanted to, and you can see where I missed a black thing on the floor. So the bathroom is all fresh and clean, ready to go hopefully for the week. And got the floor sanitized. Got an extra roll of toilet paper there. I don't love that. But I also just put in some Super Tarts Susan. This warmer was my very first warmer from Glade. It's the blue one. I've had this one, gosh, for a while. But we're going to see how Susan, the scent Susan from Super Tarts does in here. And my warm reviews will talk more about that. But let's go back into the bedroom. So the bedroom is actually pretty easy to clean. There is a little bit of rearranging that's happening in here, but for the most part, everything has a home. The shoes have a shoe holder, which you'll see just really quick right there, and then everything has a spot. It just wasn't getting there. So I really need to try to reinforce to my daughter to spend 10 or 15 minutes every day just doing a quick cleanup. It would really make a huge difference and make things a lot easier, so we're not doing these big cleanups all at once. Also, who else is in total declutter mode right now? Like, I feel like this is my year to get it done and just really, I don't know, I just feel like this is the year that I'm letting things go. Things that I've previously held on to thinking, oh, at some point I'll need this. Now I'm just like, you know what, just let it go and not be sad or, you know, have guilt feelings or whatever it is that we have when we have attachment to things. I don't know. But here I am starting to vacuum. I don't know why the focus is kind of weird here, but it does kind of go in and out. I think it's trying to focus on the vacuum cleaner, and since the vacuum cleaner is moving, it's weird. But I hope you guys gathered some motivation and inspiration here to get some stuff done. Thanks for taking time to spend your day with me, or whenever you may be watching this. My next video is going to be my Valentine's Day decor tour, and also I have some spring things that I've put out for the new year. And I'm trying to think what else. I don't know. I have another video in mind that I want to do. I think it was like my favorite cleaning products. I've kind of gone through cleaning products, so I kind of know what I like and what I don't like. So yeah, thank you guys so much as always for watching, and I hope you're having a good day wherever you may be. Okay, so that is the end. We got this pretty much cleaned up well enough for now. Doesn't have to be perfect, just some sort of progress so that you're all set for Monday. I really need to get underneath her bed here and get some of that cleaned out. I don't like having things underneath the bed. I think it just attracts dust. You don't really want that when you're sleeping. So that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.